totally worth it.
Welcome to Mile Zero Kitchen. Ding ding. Congratulations. You've hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube.
No way, that's amazing. How do we celebrate?
I'd suggest throwing a party, but you know, no arms, no legs. Kind of limits my party planning abilities.
True. You could DJ though. Just play Celebrate Good Times in loop for 3 hours.
Oh, I could, but let's be real. You'll need to hit another 100K before we do anything with that level of excitement.
Fair. Guess I should start thinking about that. Okay, what about a special recipe instead?
That sounds like a great idea. How about your favorite one? Some nice, fragrant Roman pizza.
That sounds good actually. Can you pull up my favorite Roman pizza dough made by hand?
Sure thing. Here's the list of ingredients. Good luck and congratulations again, Donnie.
Thank you so much, Luna. You are very sweet.
Looks like the hand mixing is pretty demanding.
Yeah, I know. This is gonna be tough, but totally worth it.
You can do it, Donnie.
Well, we kinda needed to do something extreme for the 100,000 subscribers, right?
Look at the bright side. You don't have to go to the gym today.
That's very much a shoulder workout. totally worth it.